Let's see how you can easily send the follow-up messages on Instagram. So there is a 24-hour rule right there. That means you can only send follow-up messages to the customers from the 24 hours from their last message. For example, if they send a message to you on Instagram at 8 a.m. today, you can only send a follow-up message by automatically until the tomorrow 8 a.m. right there. Suppose if they reply to the specific message within that time frame, then the 24-hour window opens and you can only send follow-up messages within the 24 hours of their last message. Alright, so that's a simple idea right here. So let's see how you can actually automate the follow-up message. You can even send voice notes as the follow-up message as well. So here I'm in a demo account, and here we have connected the Instagram account right here, demo chatting media. You will need to simply log in with your Instagram account right here and connect with all the permissions over there. Alright, so let me go to the flow section and use a free template over there, all free templates. So for this specific example, let me look at one of the free template over here. For example, let me use this one, promote Facebook or school group. Alright, so let me make a duplicate of this one so we can actually keep the original as it is. Alright, the duplicate should be right here. So this one is right here. So let me rename this one as IG follow plus promote school group right there. Alright, so this is the duplicate right there. So let me open this specific free template and see what we have right here. So it's actually promote the customers or the audience on Instagram to join the specific community on school or Facebook group. So it says, are you ready to take your coaching skill to the next level? Join the expert community program. Alright, so if they say yes, we simply ask them to provide the email address over here, set the email opt-in and provide them the link to join the community. So since they have actually provided their email address, we are also sending the email right here as well using the specific email we have connected right here. So if you go to the settings over here and in channels, you have the option to connect a specific email right here. And here if you click on learn more, you can find a step-by-step guide on how to connect a specific email account as well. So once you have the email account connected, you can actually send emails within the platform as well. It works the same for the SMS as well. Alright, so here we send the email as well, and here we have a wait delay block right here, wait 1 hour. So here you can easily add any sort of wait delay blocks as you like right here and set specific hours, seconds, minutes as well. So for the Instagram, as I mentioned earlier, you can also send follow-up messages within the 24-hour window from the customer's last message. So here we have just 1 hour wait delay over here and send them the specific message asking them whether they actually joined the community or not. Based on the response, we send different messages as well. So here let me reduce the wait delay block right here just for the demo purposes. So let me just set up 15 seconds to see how this actually works. And as I mentioned, you can also send follow-up messages as voice notes as well. So if you're wondering how to send those voice notes as follow-up messages, you can simply, instead of adding the text messages for this specific contents over here, you can add content instead of text, choose file and upload the specific audio. So you can simply upload this specific audio file right here and add that as the follow-up message. For example, after 15 seconds, if you want to send a follow-up message in the voice note, you can simply upload the pre-recorded voice note right there and send it, and it will look, and for the customers who receive the voice note, it will look exactly as it is actually recorded right in the Instagram right there. All right, so let me delete that for now and simply choose 15 seconds and connect this one right here. All right, and click publish. So here you're actually collecting the customer's email as well. So if they fail to provide the email address, you can also send follow-up messages right here as well. For example, click on edit over here and choose this option auto skip, and here you can set the specific time frame as well. So if they fail to provide the email within 2 minutes, you can actually send them a follow-up message right here as well. So if it's skipped, so here you can ask for the email address again over here. For example, make a duplicate of this one. So here say, hey there, are you still interested? And it will send them a message asking for their email address. So once they provide the email address, we can send them back to the flow right here. And for this specific block, we can remove the skip button as well. All right, so likewise you can actually collect send a follow-up message when they actually fail to provide the email address as you set up right here as well. All right, click on publish over here, and now this is the flow: IG follow-up, promote Facebook group, school group. So this is the flow name right here. So let's set up the comments automation for this one. Marketing tools, Instagram comments over here, and keep in mind this is the flow. All right, so here let me say IG demo, and you have to choose this specific flow. So you can actually track the comments on all posts, a specific post as well. Just use all posts, so it will simply work on all the past posts, including the future ones as well. So easy option right here. And the private reply, you have to select the specific flow we just created. IG follow up, so this is the flow, so choose the flow, this is the flow, simple as that. And public comment reply, you can set specific variations as well. For example, send you a DM send, you can have multiple variations. And here you can also set up a specific keyword as well. For example, let me say group. So if they comment as group on your Instagram post or reel, then this automation will get triggered. And here you have more options, and you can even delay this automation by specific minutes, seconds, and you can use random minutes as well. All right, but for this one, let me choose immediately and click save. So we have just created the comment automation for this specific flow right here as well. So let me share my phone screen and test this, how this actually works. All right, add the comment which is group. All right, so I just added the keyword we set up, group, and see what happens. So it should actually trigger the automation and send us the message. All right, so we see the message. It says, "Hi there, are you ready to take your coaching skills to the next level? Join this particular group." So if you go to the see post, we should have received the comment reply as well, group. It says send you a DM, simple as that. And from here, let me say yes, and it should actually ask me to provide the email address over here. So it asked me to provide the email address. So we have also set up a follow-up message right here. If they fail to provide the email address within 2 minutes, it will send another message asking for the email address again. So here let me provide a random email address over here, and then move to the next steps over here. And after that, it will actually provide them the link to join the community over here right here, as you can see here. Thank you, here's the join the community. And also it will send a follow-up message in 15 seconds right here. So I'm waiting for the follow-up message. So let's see what happens over here. All right, so here we receive the follow-up message, just checking to see if you joined the expert community. So this is the follow-up message we set up in 15 seconds, but you can actually set up for the Instagram within 24 hours anytime. You can choose as you wish. All right, and for example, if I say yes, joined, it will simply send this specific message we have set up right here. So let's see what happens. That's fantastic. We are excited to have you right there. All right, so that's how the follow-up message work on Instagram, but it works similar on in the WhatsApp, Facebook, and other channels too. And if you go to the unified inbox, you can track all these conversations happen right here. So this is from Instagram. You can see every conversation right here, and if the conversation is assigned to yourself, you can also track these right here as well. So if you click on this option right here, you have the option of different filters: all conversations, my inbox, unassigned, follow-up, unread, etc. And you can set up specific filters as you like as well. So for example, let me assign this conversation to myself, assign to me, and here it shows in the my inbox automatically, simple as that. So if I unassign or remove assignment, it goes as well. You can likewise, you can actually assign conversation to different agents, and from this unified inbox, agent can easily send messages to your customers as well. So that's a quick video on how you can easily automate follow-up messages through the Instagram. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.